The last topic in the combination of errors is error in case of quantity is raised to a power. So we have completed the four operation: multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now the last case is when a quantity is raised to a power. Now what it means? Now this means that how would you calculate error if it is not multiplication, it is not division, but it is something when the quantities are raised to a power. For example, let us say if x is equal to a square multiplied by b cube. The value of x is a square into b cube. Now how will you find delta x? How will you find the limiting error in this case? So I'm going to give the formula that how you have to solve this. The formula for solving such questions would be, how will you convert? We will convert x into delta x by x. Always remember the power, the quantities power would be coming in front. So it would be 2 would be coming in front. It become delta a by a plus 3 delta b by b. This is what happened when something is raised to a power, that power would come in front. Now how will you do that? How we can prove that? We can prove that by using mathematical tool, that is differentiation. I would be telling you about differentiation in the next video, and then we will be able to understand this derivation. My next videos would be on some mathematical tools that we have to use in physics. So for the time being, to solve such numericals, such problems, just simply remember how you convert the formula. If the formula is x equals something, convert that x or whatever is LHS, delta x by x is equal to power would come in front. A become delta a by a, b cube becomes 3 delta b by b. If there is one more quantity, suppose c, so power of c is 1, so no need to write. It becomes delta c divided by c. If something is in divide, suppose there is something in divide, that is d square. Suppose I have d square in divide. So if something is divide, that would also come in plus. It would not come in minus. So do remember that it would also come in plus. In same way, power would be coming in front, and then delta d by t. This is how you're going to open a formula. Now I'm going to give you a sample problem of it, and then you can understand how you have to apply it. In maximum question, you will find that they would be asking for percentage error in that case. Percentage error means delta x by x multiplied by 100. This is the meaning of percentage error. So in maximum cases, you will be getting to find out to calculate the percentage error. So suppose, let me give you one question, and a quantity x is given by, let us say a quantity x is given by x is equal to a ab square divided by c cube. Suppose, okay, this is just a sample question. The percentage error a or b and c are 2%, comma, let us say 5% and 4% respectively. Find percentage error in x. This is the question. Okay, now if something is raised to a power, what you have to do? You have to convert it into the formula. the formula just I told you. X would become delta x by x. Okay, and there's a in first, so a becomes delta a by a plus b square. Power would come in front, so it become 2 delta b by b plus c cube becomes 3 delta c by c. What you have to find out? You have to find out percentage error. Percentage means multiply by 100. Now if I multiply 100 on LHS, so I have to multiply 100 in RHS also. That means delta x by x into 100. This I have to calculate. So I multiply this quantity with 100. But to balance it, I have to multiply 100 on RHS also. It becomes delta a by a into 100 plus 2 delta b by b into 100 plus 3 delta c by c into 100. This is what you get when you multiply 100 on both sides. Now, there's some given quantity in the question, that is percentage error in A, B, and C. You have all the percentage error of A, B, and C. That means delta A by A into 100 is given to you how much? 2. Delta B by B into 100 is given to you 5. Delta C by C into 100 is given to you 4. Now just substitute the values. So 2 plus 2 multiplied by delta B by B into 100, that is 5%, that is 5. Plus 3 delta C by C into 100, that means 4. So just solve it, you get the answer in your percentage. 4 is a 12, 12 plus 10, 22, 20 plus 2, 24. So answer to this question would be 24%, and this is the way how you are going to apply the formula when quantity is raised to the power.